Solve using substitution. To use substitution, we want to try to get one variable completely by itself. So in my first equation, I have y completely by itself. I have y equals this expression, negative 8x plus 5. In my other equation then, I can take the equation 8x minus 4y equals 20, and instead of writing y, I can substitute in what y equals. Y equals negative 8x plus 5. So I took this expression from one equation and I'm replacing the value of y. Substitution, when done correctly, allows you to take two equations with two variables and combine them in such a way that you get one equation with one variable. And now I'm just going to solve it the rest of the way. So again, it started with taking this value for y, this negative 8x plus 5, and substituting it in to the y in the other equation, because that's what y equals. It equals this expression. So now I'm going to solve my problem. So 8x plus 32x minus 20 equals 20. If I combine like terms here, 8x plus 32x is 40x. If I add 20 on both sides, I get 40. And so that means that x is equal to 1. The next step in your solving process is you're trying to find the value for y. Well, we already know from this equation that y is equal to negative 8 times times x plus 5. X equals 1. So we're going to substitute that in for x. So y equals negative 8 plus 5, which is negative 3. So if you graph these two, your final solution would be the point 1 comma negative 3. That would be the point that the two lines intersect at. If I want to double check that, since I used the top equation to get the answer, I can double check with the bottom equation. I can say 8 times 1, that's the x, minus 4 times y, that's negative 3, and see if I get 20. So in my case, I get 8 plus 12, which is 20, so it's checked and right.